Hello guys, welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video we're going to be removing these plastic covers and some stuff that's underneath. So if you want to learn how to do that, stay tuned, and we're starting with no further ado. So these lids, they basically snap in. So basically this lid goes inside of that lid. Like, how crazy is that? So anyways, there's these points right here, and there's no holes or nothing, you know, for them to go into. What they do is they snap into these little rounded like things on the engine. So clap, 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 and then basically they snap in like that. So we remove this one. We're going to set it down over here, and then I need to remove the rest of this. So we're going to get the oil cap off and go ahead and actually get this thing separated and work this thing out of here. And now we need to replace the oil cap back. So we'll take these, both of them together, and put them together as they come, like this, because it's like an insulation for the engine to basically make it quieter as it's running. So I'm gonna put this over here. All right, so next we need to remove this other portion, which is right here. As you can see, there's absolutely no room. Like, there's like literally like 1 inch to get the stuff off. So the way it comes out, not so easy, but you know, it comes out nonetheless. So you just put it together like that and put it on a shelf. So now we could see everything else here, and we really just need to remove these intake manifolds, but we have fuel rails in the way and all kinds of stuff, and there's really no easy way about it. And what is this thing? Interesting. Looks like I just found a broken pipe that's on an engine that was just like laying over there. I'm not sure where it goes to, but I'm not the one that broke it either. We do have another engine 2012 that I could take a look at where does this thing actually lead to, because it connects like right here, and obviously it stopped right there. But this other one next to it, so this is just the fuel, that's the electronics thing. It would be weird if it just was like that. That would not make any sense. Yeah, so many things to remove, guys. So basically with the plastics removed, guys, I want to start fresh in the next video, and we're just going to start pulling out everything else, guys. It's just I want to get some of this stuff out of the way, because if you're just looking for those plastic things, how to remove them from the top of the engine, now you get the video for it. So guys, please hit a like on this video, and please take a look at other videos after this. I'm gonna try to make it as easy as possible for you to understand how to put everything together, and also it makes a good memory for myself when I explain this stuff. It's like when you repeat something, you're also learning again. So let's continue. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.